You're watching eToro's Trading Academy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to deposit funds into your eToro trading account balance. First, click on the Deposit Funds button at the bottom of the sidebar menu on the eToro platform. Enter your amount and choose which currency you're using to deposit the funds. The eToro platform operates in US dollars only. If you deposit funds in any other currencies, they will be converted into US dollars for a fee. For more information on conversion fees, visit the fees page on eToro.com.
Let's say you want to deposit €1,000. Enter an amount of 1,000 and euro as the currency, and you'll immediately see the projected deposit in US dollars, along with eToro's exchange rate.
Now let's choose a payment method. There are many different payment methods, so you can choose one that's most convenient for you. Whichever one you use, however, it must belong to you, the eToro account owner. For security reasons, third-party payments are not allowed on the platform. Also, bear in mind that the payment method that you choose for deposits will by default also be used for withdrawals. Please make sure that the method you select can also receive funds before making your deposit. PayPal is a popular way of depositing, and funds usually appear in your balance instantly. If you select PayPal, you'll be redirected to the PayPal website to complete your deposit.
You can also deposit via bank transfer.
On the next page, you will find the instructions on completing the transaction with your bank. You'll receive a copy of the instructions by email as well.
Please note that funds deposited via bank transfer may take between 4 to 7 business days to appear in your eToro account balance.
Now let's see how to deposit funds using a credit or debit card. This is the fastest way to deposit. Select the credit or debit card option from the drop-down menu. Fill out your card details, making sure that you enter your personal information accurately. Click Deposit. You should see a confirmation that your deposit has been successfully processed. Credit card payments are received instantly, so you should see your funds immediately in your available balance. For more information on how to deposit, you can check out our frequently asked questions by clicking the link on your screen. That's it for now. You're ready to deposit funds into your account.